Traci Barrett. I'm here today with AIIR Professional. I'm very excited to be working with them. The first crystal infused hair care line. I'm actually going to show you something fairly basic today on our model. I really want to showcase how to use Texture AIIR in an everyday kind of situation. So I'm going to do kind of like that cool girl beach wavy vibe, but I'm hoping to show you a few different techniques incorporated into one hairstyle so that you have a couple of takeaways from it. Alright guys, I'm going to finish off with the energy refresher, hair and energy refresher. An interesting way to use this that I've been using, how I've been using it, is I spray a little bit in my hands to finish, emulsify, and then you can use it to smooth flyaways through the roots, the edges, the ends, kind of wherever you want. It's a great lightweight finishing product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know there's a lot of wave tutorials out there. I hope you picked up some tips and tricks, but especially learned how one of the ways we use Texture AIIR and the hair refresher.